So I thought I'd just do a little bit more work on my pearly Fireblade. Some more parts out of the gearbox. There's my gearbox. That's the offending gear. How frustrating. Just don't have a 30mm socket to go on there. Everything else, but don't have a 30mm socket, so I can't finish the job. I wanted to split that case, get the gearbox out and start rebuilding it, but it's not meant to be. 30mm nut. Who'd have thought it? Got everything else, got all my sockets, all my tools, all these specialist tools that I bought specially for this rebuild. 32mm socket, but no 30mm. So off to Halted's in the morning. The saga continues.